Because the offense was not just done to Captain Felipe, the offense was done to the 225,000 strong members of the Philippine National Police, both active and retired. This is not just a story of Mr. Go and Captain Felipe. Ito yung storya ng mga institusyon. Kaya bilang kuya ng Philippine National Police, tayo po ay nanguna para medyo makalabit ang ating mga kaibigan sa MMDA na sana bigyan naman ng konting respeto ang uniforme. Napakahirap maging pulis. Kung alam nyo lang yung proseso kung paano maging pulis, yung public order and safety natin ay nakasalalay rin sa kanila. So bigyan naman natin ng konting kortesiya ang uniforme na sinusuot ng mga pulis mula noong 19 Forgotten hanggang sa kasalukuyan. Yung law enforcement naman, hindi naman contest yan na papugian, hindi naman kailangan na ipakita pa natin at medyo mabastos pa ang kahit na sinong member ng law enforcement agency. It all boils down to one word: respect. Respect not just to the Philippine National Police members, but maybe respect also to private individuals. Kasi siguro ang huwag nating kalimutan, we are government officials, we are not vloggers. So first and foremost is public service. First and foremost is what is good for everyone, what is good for the general public. So hindi dapat tayo magkakamali doon eh. Kung yun lang ang guiding post natin na kung anong tama para sa mas nakararami, hindi tayo maliligaw. But I am appreciative of this act of Gab here. Actually, this is not the first time we met. We met sometime Saturday afternoon till the evening. Kung saan nalungkot nga tayo kasi we were hoping for an apology. Pero tapos na yun. Here he is right now, apologizing to all of us and to the PNP. And sa ngalan ng lahat ng miyembro ng PNP, Gab, papasalamat kami sa iyo. Sa wakas, you manned up and very thankful kami. At salamat din na nagpasalamat ka sa mga pulis na nagligtas ng buhay mo. Kaya nagpatong-patong ang lahat ng emosyon eh. Niligtas ka na nga the day before, the next day, binaya mo pa yung PNP. All you had to say was thank you. All you had to say was sorry. And here you are right now. I salute you. Thank you very much. From the bottom of my heart, nabanggit mo rin, this is not personal. Totoo lang, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pwede ko naman palagpasin ito na Saturday pa eh. Pero the institutions were hurt. My family was hurt. My family of policemen was hurt. My friends na policemen were hurt. Retired policemen, both officers and non-commissioned officers were hurt. Kahapon, ramdam ko ang hinanakit ng mga pulis nung nandun tayo sa Camp Crame. Sana, nananalangin ako sa araw na to, sa iyong paglutang at sa iyong pagsabi ng thank you at pagsabi ng sorry, maghilom na ang mga sugat na nagawa at sana makamove forward na tayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala sa MMDA kasi di naman magbabago ang relasyon ng PNP, NAPOLCOM sa MMDA. We are your partners and we will still protect you. Public service continues. Hindi dapat personalan yan. At ulit, maraming salamat, Gab.
Once again, Commissioner, full-heartedly, I'm very thankful for your understanding. And I think both the good Commissioner will agree